Hi everybody, today I'm going to teach you how to replace the battery in your older MacBook Air. I ordered a new battery on Amazon and it came with instructions and 2 screwdrivers. I'm going to show you how to do this. First, you're going to take one of the screwdrivers, in this case the blue or turquoise one, and you're going to take the back panel of the MacBook off. The way that you do this is there are 10 screws. You're going to undo them. Just remember that the 2 screws on the back side along the vent are slightly longer than the other ones. So set those in the appropriate position. Once the screws are off, kind of gently lift up on the case and it'll give you a little bit of resistance, but it's not bad. Once it pops off, you'll expose the battery. You can see there's going to be quite a bit of dust in here, so I'll clean it up a little bit once I get the old battery out. Then you take the purple screwdriver, and there's going to be 5 screws, 1 in each corner and 1 in the very center. So what you're going to do is just undo those screws. Just be sure and set the long ones off to the side. That one is too. The others are short. The one in the middle is long as well. So these 2 and this one are slightly longer. Once you have the 5 battery screws out, 2, 4, 5, you can gently lift up on the battery here, just using your fingernail. The only power connection you need to undo is through this little tab here, and you're going to grab it, kind of just slowly wiggle it backwards. I found it's easier to lift up the battery at the same time and pull the whole battery backwards. And there you go. Your old battery is now completely out of the MacBook Air. So I'm going to clean this up a little bit, blow some air through it, and also clean out the cover. You can see how dusty that is, and then I'll be right back to put it back together. Okay, now that the inside of the computer is clean and I have blown out the cover to get all the dust out, it's just time to replace the old battery with the new one. So here is the brand new battery. You can see the power cord on there. Really simple to do this in reverse. What you do is, I found it's much easier to kind of angle the battery in, and then you're going to align the power supply in with your fingernail, and then it's going to click into place, and then you slide the battery into its grooves. I like to make sure that the power supply went in there very good, which it did. And then we'll just put the screws back in the same order. The long one goes in the middle. The other long one goes into the left corner. The right corner. These are really small screws, so got to be real careful with them. And then a small one in each corner. There's a little bit of magnetic to the tips of these screwdrivers, so kind of helps you hold them in place. And now that all 5 are in, I just kind of like to go around and make sure that they are snug. And the battery's in. One last check. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 screws that hold this in, and your power is plugged in properly. Now it's just time to put the back cover back on. Okay, to put the back cover on, very simply, just lay it into position. Everything inside looks good. You didn't leave anything in there. Cover lays back into place, and you just start putting the screws back on there using the second screwdriver. There we go. There's a total of 10 screws. Just remember that 8 of them are short, and then these 2 are slightly longer. And then these ones that are slightly longer on the vent side are much easier to get in there because you can actually hold on to them. Now I like to check that you have all 10 screws back in, the 2 longer ones. That's all there is to it. You have replaced the battery in your MacBook Air. I hope you enjoyed this video. I've included a link to this battery in the description page. Thanks for watching.